Hi, I'm Jared Allen with your Crestone Weather Report. Cold and mostly clear conditions across the San Luis Valley today. A low of 5 degrees recorded here this morning at the Crestone Energy Fairgrounds. The highs will be around 28 degrees later this afternoon. If you're headed out, take it slow. Icy road conditions from yesterday's ice melt, so be extra cautious if you're out there on the roads or walkways. Taking a look at my 360 time-lapse camera, this is last night's sunset. You can see what's left of the snowstorm clearing out as the high pressure moves in. And one more clip from this morning's sunrise. You can see it's mostly clear out there with a few clouds still lingering. It's bitter cold out there, so bundle up. Thankfully, we have a few days of sunshine and clear skies to warm things up and charge your batteries before a chance of snow again on Wednesday. Lots of cold mornings ahead as we move into winter, so stay warm out there. I'm Jared Allen with your Crestone Energy Fair Weather Report.